Welcome to the video for the assembly of the HIR138. As you can see, all the various pieces are here, which you can cross-reference against the instruction manual. So, turn the tabletop upside down, make sure the cable ports are facing this way. Now we have number 15 and number 9. Line number 15, the 3 holes here with the 3 grommets fitted into the top. And number 9, we only need to align with this 1 hole here. We need 4 bolts from the pack, which are labelled B. Just important that you don't cross thread these, and make sure that they tighten by hand first. And we'll just lightly screw these in, not fully tighten them yet. So we've now put in the 3 bolts in there, the 1 in here. Now we need leg 3, leg 1. We're going to put the feet pad in, and there are 2 per leg. And then we'll do the same for the second leg. Pause. So, remembering the orientation of the top, the cable ports at this end, we need number 3 leg, and we need 2 bolts, which again are the B bolts. 1 goes in here, and 1 goes in the end. So we've screwed in the 2 bolts in each leg, again remembering not to fully tighten them yet. There's going to be some bolts labelled C, and they will fit in through the sides. There's 1 located here, again it's just important to ensure they're not being cross-threaded. Next part, we need both brackets that are number 4, and then we need 4 bolts which are labelled A. First bracket goes here. Remembering not to over tighten them at this point. And then we're going to do the same for the second side. Pause. So for the next section, or the next few steps, we need number 6. We need the 2 brackets which are the same, number 7 on the right hand side and number 5 on the left. So there are 2 holes here and 2 holes here. Just line them up. We're going to use bolt A again. Take number 7. See the position of the bracket. And we simply pop another number 2, the A bolts. 2 of the A bolts, 1 in this hole and 1 in this hole on the back. We'll do the same for the other side as well. So remembering the orientation of the desk, the cable ports are at the back here. We have number 8, and we have number 2, and we have 2 sets of brackets which are labelled number 16, we have another pair over on the left hand side as well. We need the remaining bolts, which are A, the cable, the drinks holder will go into the first two holes here at the front. So we have the bracket and the drinks holder now installed. So remembering the orientation of the desk, the cable ports are at the back here. We need strip 13. As you can see, there's a pre-punched hole, and we just need to ensure that that is lined up with the hole here in the leg. You'll remove the adhesive from the back and then apply it into place. Pause. The decal has now been applied. The hole is being aligned up with the hole in the frame here in the leg. Now we need to take number 16. As you can see, these three will line up. Simply pop that in there. And then the other side of the bracket also clips in place. Once it's clipped in, we need to take the remaining screws from the pack. There are three holes here. The 3 screws are now in. We'll apply the decal and this on the other side, on the other leg. We'll be back in a moment to finish the remaining parts, and then the desk will be fully assembled. Just one thing to note, it's a good idea now to go around and tighten all of these main bolts for the framework into the top, and that's it. We'll be back in a moment. So the final part now, number 11, number 12, this is the back of the desk. We've put the mat on top. Just pop these cable ports in, and then simply we've got the holder. Just place that on your desk, and it's now complete. Thank you for watching.